back. Today's video is all about lazy mom life hacks. My first tip, if you don't have a robot vacuum, this is pretty much the next best thing, and you can get it at the dollar store, and that is floor sweeping slippers, my friends. You need these in your life. Head to your dollar store and pick up those microfiber dusting cloths that go in the bottom of brooms and attach them to your feet. You can hot glue them on the bottom of dollar store slippers, and better yet, make your kids wear them. And as you walk around your house, you'll also be collecting dust, dirt, and dog hair. My next tip is going to let you sleep in on Saturday mornings. Well, for a few minutes anyways. It's all about having your kids get their own breakfast with these cereal dispensers. I picked these up about 10 years ago and have not looked back. My kids used to spill the cereal all over the floor or force me to get out of bed on a Saturday so they could watch cartoons and have cereal, and now they don't need mommy to pour it. My next tip is going to save you from judgment and embarrassment when you're out shopping or wherever you are with your kids and they decide that that is the moment they are gonna lose their crap. You need a temper tantrum tote. It's like a small little thing that you can carry in your purse that has distractible things like candy and small toys, things you can pick up at the dollar store. Trust me, you need this. Even my 5-year-old is still having temper tantrums sometimes, and you can whip this out at the doctor's office or a long checkout line or at a restaurant when they will not sit still. Save yourself some peace of mind, embarrassment, and make the kids happy. You need a temper tantrum tote right now. My next tip is going to save you a ton of time when it comes to cleaning your bathroom, because we all know the biggest offender is toothpaste. When my kids brush their teeth, it looks like a crime scene, a toothpaste crime scene when they leave. I don't know why they can't just get it on the brush, but it's an issue for them. So this toothpaste dispenser, it delivers a tiny dollop on the toothbrush. It's revolutionary, I know. It's a crazy concept when you have kids. It will also save you a ton of money because they won't be wasting the toothpaste. So less mess, less cleanup, and money in your pocket totally is a must if you have little ones. So let's talk about furniture polish for just a second. Not for your furniture, but for your fridge. Spraying the front of your fridge with a wood polish like Pledge or another furniture polish is going to eliminate those sticky fingers from your kids, especially if you have a white handle like I do. It's constantly covered in goo. A little Pledge not only will make your fridge shiny, but it will repel their disgusting fingers and keep it clean and keep me happy. And try this tip today. It's crazy, but it works. I'm gonna tell you that this next tip is all about kids' independence, but it's really about me being lazy, and that is a kid's cupboard. It's a spot in your kitchen where they store their dishes and their snacks. It's so they can get themselves a glass of water or a snack, set the table, and empty the dishwasher all by themselves. Even little kids can do this, and that is creating a kid's cupboard in your kitchen. So just dedicate a lower cabinet in your kitchen to your kids today. It's going to save you a ton of time and make your kids more independent at the same time. My next tip is also going to save you time and money, and that is getting a shampoo, soap, and conditioner dispenser in your shower. For the same reason that you need a toothpaste one, my kids will waste an entire bottle of shampoo. I don't know what they're not washing their hair, but the shampoo is everywhere and it's empty, and I'm constantly buying it. But when you get a dispenser right in the shower, they can only use as much product as one push of a button, which is going to save you a ton of money, and your kid's not going to come out of the shower with like greasy conditioner head because they dumped an entire bottle on it. I know it's happened to you, it's happened to me a lot of times. So I hope you guys enjoyed these quick and easy, lazy parenting life hacks. Give them a try today and definitely let me know your lazy parenting life hack in the comments below. I would love to hear it. Thanks so much and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I want to thank you so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Today, we're ranting about backwards compliments, and this is something that I get all the time. Today, I got 2 emails from people who were thanking me for being so authentic and putting myself out there despite being fat and ugly and old and not having my crap together. I'm so brave for still being on YouTube. Is that a compliment? No, that's rude. That's like a backwards compliment. It's like telling someone that you're so jealous that they're confident enough to go out in public despite being hideous, or telling your mom that she's brave for posting her selfie on Facebook despite looking like a truck hit her in the face, or whatever it is, you know. If it's like you're telling someone you respect them for just like breathing despite the fact that they probably are just like a total hot mess, it's a backwards compliment. You see the difference there? It's like an anti-compliment. So I know you were trying to mean well, and I love all the kind, wonderful emails that I get, and I totally get what you were trying to say, but it doesn't make it less insulting. So there, I said it.